there are parts.
So
Mia?
you have to do 3 and 1, so that's Centaurus and Monarch, and then
Yes.
you have to have a total.
Yes.
All of the runners, so
That's where the ratio table comes in handy. So first of all, just a quick review. When we look at all of these, we had a part and a whole. It was super straightforward. Part, whole, part, whole, part, whole, part, whole, and I'll post those notes. Okay, and then here's an application problem. 3 out of 5 students play an instrument. 3, this is the part right here. And then 5, that's the whole. But over here, we have like what Mia says, we have 2 parts. But we need the whole still. So Chase, the reason I'm trying to build that skill of ratio tables is then it helps you kind of organize all of those pieces in a ratio table. So I can have a ratio table, and I love this highlighter, the way it straightens out. It makes it look like I'm so good at lines, but I'm not. Okay, so I'm going to put my Mohai here. That's Monarch. And this is Centaurus here. And then I'm going to put my total here. So Mia, talk to us a little more.
So in the Monarch, you put 3, and in Centaurus you put 1.
You're using the ratio of 3 to 1.
And then you put 4 as the total.
That's correct. And then,
Try to get 4 to 1.
and we want the total to become, we still want the whole to become 100. Yeah, so Noah.
You would multiply it by 25.
Yeah, you would multiply it by 25.
So 75 for Mohai and 25 for Centaurus.
Right.
Oh.
And the only reason is Monarch is a much bigger school, by the way.
Yeah.
So that's why their numbers are higher. So now I can answer the question, what percentage of the runners were from Centaurus? 25%. All right? Thumbs up or thumbs down, guys? How are we doing on this? So the nice thing about the ratio, Chase, you looking? That's where the ratio table comes in handy, because it organizes your work, and the division was easy. You don't even need the decimals there.
You also circle 75 because it also asks.
Right. So I'm gonna thank you. These are the percentages. So I need to add a sentence, don't I? 75% of the runners were Mohai, from Mohai.
That's quite a bit.
20. Why did they say Mohai?
Oh, yeah.
Monarch, and then high school. 25% of the runners were from Centaurus. Okay, I just want to do one harder problem. You don't have to write it in your comp book. Like just, not harder necessarily, but one more messy number problem. I think you get the part to whole. And I think you got the easy percents, like when the denominators are 4. Well, you could even do what percent is like 5 out of 7. It doesn't have to be a number you can get to 100 quickly. So Lucy, what's the part?
Part is 5.
Right? And what's the whole?
7.
7. And so, Morgan, what can I do?
Multiply 75, 100.
Right. If the number doesn't go up to 100 easily, just times it by 100, multiply by 100, like Morgan said. It makes it pretty simple. And then we have to divide it down by what? Ada, what would you divide down by?
7.
Right. And then, Chase, here's where you get to do your division, if you prefer that, okay? So then you could do 500 divided by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 goes into 10 how many times? Once. And the remainder is 3, so it's 71 3/7%. That's a good answer. Just leave it at that. Okay? All right, I'll post the notes. Oh, we did well today. 5 minutes and 50.